All right, volume or surface area, we're going to drag and drop. So volume is the inside, something that's filled up. Surface area is the outside, like you're wrapping a present. So, oh, look at that. The first one, wrapping paper on a gift. That you are going to click, that is going to be the surface area. That's going to be the outside. The wall, the floor, and the ceiling. That's also going to be the outside. So yes, technically it could be on the inside of a house, but it's surrounding it. So you wouldn't fill it in with wrapping paper. You would wrap it instead of filling it in with water. The water inside of a water bottle. So everything inside is going to be volume. So that volume on the inside. The gift inside the wrapping paper. So the gift is going to take up the space inside. The amount of glass needed for an aquarium. So glass is going to cover the outside. So that's going to be surface area. Glass is going to be outside, surface area. The amount of air in the room. So the air in the room is going to be the volume, the inside, the space it takes up. And then the plastic of a water bottle, that's just the outside. So we're going to put that for the surface area and surrounding the outside. And that's it for that lesson part 1. Great job.